Hi there, this is the Details Flowers software, and today we're going to go over our feature Privacy Mode and all the tools that will be hidden once it's turned on. So first let's highlight the things that are here that will no longer be here once we turn that privacy feature back on. First will be the cost section. So this whole list here of your wholesale costs will be turned off, your total cost, and your markup. On the left-hand side of our design board, I have some items gathered. And if I click the eyeball in here and go to the Details tab, we can see that our default cost is showing as well. Across the top of the page, our navigation, such as documents and costs. This cost page will be hidden once privacy mode is turned on. So let's go ahead. Top right-hand corner, we're going to turn privacy mode on. Before doing so, make sure that you did save at the bottom of the page because this does reload your work. Once it's reloaded, you'll notice across the top of the page that the cost button is no longer there. If we scroll down to this recipe here, you'll notice that that cost is hidden along with the total price and markup. If we open up the item on the left-hand side of the design board and go to the Details tab, it is also hiding the default cost there. If you need to bring any of that information back, once again, that's in the top right-hand corner by turning it back off. In addition, if you would like to hide the price and the total price that is showing on this recipe, you can click your Options tab, Worksheet Settings, and simply click Show Ingredient Prices and Show Recipe Prices to turn that information off. Another thing that will readjust the pages across the top of the screen will be if you resize your screen either too large or too small. So for example, I made my screen really large and you'll notice now the Documents tab is no longer showing. If I make my screen smaller, the Documents tab will reappear. In my top left-hand corner, if I had made my screen too large, I can always find any of those tabs in that top left-hand corner. I hope this video has helped. Let us know if you have any other questions about Details. We're available Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 p.m.